Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do an unboxing of our December subs. Here I have the sticker subs and then the stationery subs. I shipped these out a little bit later than planned because our vendor had a hold up with their delivery because of all the COVID and the unprecedented holiday shipping and stuff. Everything was kind of backed up. So subs are on their way to you right now. If you did, some of you might receive it today, but if not, they're almost to you, I believe. So if you want this to be a surprise, as usual, I'll do the stickers first and then I'll save the stationery subscription till after the stickers, and I'll warn you ahead of time so you can click out and come back later if you want to. So let me start with the stickers here. This is from the December subs, but it is our sticker kit for February. Okay, so if you subscribe to the full sticker kit subscription, this is what you get. You get a freebie here. And so this is a February add-on. And basically it's, if there's a holiday happening in the month, I usually try to keep the deco on the main sheets a little bit more general, just in case you don't celebrate those particular holidays, and then I use the add-on sheet to do more specific because it's a freebie and I think a lot of people do celebrate these holidays, so I thought it would be nice to still include it but on a separate sheet. So what I did for February is kind of like a Valentine / love theme, and so you have two full boxes, one in a darker skin tone, one in a lighter skin tone, just holding coffee with a little heart foam art on it. And then I thought, so these stickers here are cut out around the text, and I thought you can layer them here if you want to. So the first one says Valentine's Day, and these little hearts, the little doodles are actually separate from the word, so you can use it with the doodles or without. But the first one says Valentine's Day. The second one is a play on words. It's brew and me, like you and me. But if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, then I thought it'd be cute to include two things that don't have to do with couples. So brew and me is a play on words for you and me, and I thought it would be really cute with the coffee mug if you want to layer on top of the full box. And then be wine is a play on words for be mine. I don't know if that's cheesy to you guys. I thought it was pretty clever. My husband kind of rolled his eyes when I told him, but I thought it was super cute. So, and then just a couple of cute things, little bows, some flowers, a little candle or two little candles there. So that's the add-on sheet, freebie. And then here's the full sticker kit. So sheet A, as usual, it has the month there with some deco, some icons, some headers, and then two strips of washi. That's sheet A. Thought it was super cute, just like kind of Valentine's, but more like romantic, or if you just want to do a girls' night, like with the cosmopolitan, the shoes, makeup and stuff, or just a night in with your planner and coffee. So I try to make it very versatile for you. And then sheet B is your full boxes. I really love how these came out too. There's 8 full boxes. And then sheet C, you have some quarter boxes, some half boxes, some trackers, and some checklists in white, gray, light pink, and marble, with the little deco. That's that little, you guys know that Cartier love ring? One day I would like to get that ring. And then here's sheet D, and these are your little things, your headers, a thin piece of washi here because I had extra space, some extra icons. That's sheet D. So if you ordered the full sticker kit subscription, that's what you get. And then if you do the mini sticker kit subscription, then you still get the freebie add-on, and you still get sheet A, and then you get sheet E, which is a combo of the full boxes, flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. And then now I'm going to show you the stationery sub. So if you want to click out now, make sure to come back after you get your sub. All right, so let's start with the vellum. You always get 2 pieces of vellum. So here is the first vellum, is like a geometric pattern. I'll turn it sideways so you can see better. And I just thought it was really cute. It's on this frosted vellum paper, very thick quality, good quality vellum. So it's 6 by 8.5, and then you trim down to your planner size. And then this one's my favorite, this snow leopard. I love this so much. I can't wait to put this in my planner. So it's basically like a darkish gray animal print on the frosted white vellum paper. Love that so much. And then I'll open this one next. So your planner card's in here and 4 sheets of stickers. The first thing you get is this card. It's a quote by Barack Obama. I really, really loved this quote because going into 2021, we all had a very challenging 2020, and it kind of can make you feel a little bit discouraged and wondering how 2021 is going to be, if it's going to be any better. I mean, just because we're starting a new year, it's not a magic spell that things are automatically going to be better than last year. But we can dare to hope. And I really wanted to give you guys all this card as well as a reminder for myself that let's just hope. We don't know if 2021 is going to be any better than 2020, but we can dare to hope that it will be, and let that kind of start off our year on a hopeful note. So it says, hope in the face of difficulty, hope in the face of uncertainty, the audacity of hope, a belief that there are better days ahead. So I really wanted you guys to have that in your planners to give you guys a little bit of hope, as well as for myself too. This card, and then the one that came out last month that said a toast to the old you. Those cards mean so much to me. I really send it to you guys with my love. So hope you guys like that. And then here are some photo boxes. I've been having a lot of fun doing photo boxes. I hope you guys like those too. I just chose 4 images that is like having to do with like a fresh start or celebration. So like for the new year, this mug says be strong. This little frame says keep your heels, heads, and standards high, which I thought was super cool with some Chanel. I love Chanel. And then today I'm grateful, just a reminder to be grateful. And then this little sticker says every day is a fresh start. So I thought that was cool to kick off the new year. The second sheet are weather icons. I've been getting requests for weather icons for so long. I'm finally doing them, so I hope you guys like these. So you have the sun. I would use these for like really hot days during summer. I like to mark when it's really hot so I know stay in, stay cool, hydrate, all that. Cloudy days. This could be for rain or snow. It's really a rainy day, but you can use it for snow as well. Windy, and then this one is really for snow. So that's the rain, this is the snow, but you can also use it for rain if it doesn't snow where you live. So some weather icons, and then I did some lettering, like basics, that we kind of use: personal, schedule, day off, and errands, work, to do, notes, and mail. And then it just repeats itself down here. I try to squeeze in as much lettering for you guys as possible. But I've been doing a lot more hand lettering because over the past 1 or 2 years, I think I've been getting so many requests to bring back some of my handwriting stickers. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And then what I've been doing for our transparent, I know transparent like stickers, sticky notes, and all that is super huge in the planner community right now. So what I wanted to do is, because I did all the shapes I think I wanted to do for the regular like small transparent stickers. So now I think for this year I'm gonna do bigger ones, bigger versions of the small ones. So these are circles, and I did it in the blush pink color. It's a very neutral color, but I can offer them in all the other colors as well that we do, like the black, gray, nude, some pinks and stuff like that. So I thought these were super pretty. And then the last thing is I did some sticky notes. I did it this week and this month to start off with. And I thought they came out super cute. There's 7 lines here, so you can do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Sunday through Saturday, whatever you want. However, if you don't plan like that on a sticky note, you can always cover this up with washi or whatever sticker and just use it as a checklist. And then this one is this month, so it has spaces up here for the days of the week, Monday through Sunday or Sunday through Saturday. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows to write in your days of the month. And again, if you don't want to use this for this month, you can always cover that up and just use it as a regular sticky note to write notes on. But I love them a lot. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I want to add a couple more designs for the functional side, like maybe a daily one and then like a grid one, because I know we sold out of the grid and the marble one a while back, and I always get requests to bring those back. So we might do a couple of more to use as the staples for our shop. So yeah, that's it. This is the stationery sub. A lot of basics to start off the new year, and then as we go on through the months, I'll add some other things like a set for finances and work and fitness. So yeah, we just started off with some basics for January. So yeah, I hope you guys like everything you got. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.